Welcome back. I hope you watched my previous video, Paint with Coffee. If you haven't watched it, you can just visit my channel and you'll find that video in my latest uploads. Today, I'm going to teach you finger painting. I'm going to teach you a flower pot with some daisies in it, and that we are going to paint with fingers. Okay, so I hope you all are excited for it. Let me just introduce what all material we require for it. We'll require canvas. Okay, so I'm using 8" by 10" canvas. You can use any size canvas that you want. Then we need palette, we need water, we need 2 brushes, we need a big brush, a big flat brush and a small round brush. Okay, and we need some colors: black, yellow, red, pink, dark green, light green and white. So if you are painting on canvas, acrylic colors or fabric colors are recommended, but if you are doing it on the paper, then you can use poster color. And we need tissue paper to clean our brush. I am all set to teach you finger painting today, but before we start with painting with fingers, we are going to paint our background with black color. Okay, so for that you need a flat brush and you need black color. Okay, so what I am going to do, I am going to make my brush little bit wet. Okay, and after making my brush wet, I will remove all the water from my brush. Okay, and I'll dip that in my black paint. Here I'm not adding any water in my paint because I'm using fabric colors which already has enough water. Okay, but if you're using acrylic colors like thick colors, you can add little bit of water, and if you're using poster colors, you can add 1 or 2 drops of water in your paint. Okay, so first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to color my canvas with black paint. Nicely. I'm using vertical strokes while painting. Like this. Okay, and in this way, I will color my entire canvas. Now while painting, if in case you're getting little dry strokes, you know, sometimes when we paint we get some dry strokes, so that time what you do, you just add little water in your brush and then take the color and start painting it. Okay, and I'm going to wait for some time and let it dry. I waited for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes my painting, this black color has completely dried. So now we will start with finger painting. To paint the flowers and the vase, we need certain colors. So I've taken out lots of white. Then I've taken out white and red, white and pink, white and light green, and white and dark green. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add white in each and every color. Okay, so that's how on the black surface the colors will start looking brighter. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take some white, okay, over here. I'm going to add tinge of black in it and make little light grey color. Okay, now this is too dark. I'm going to add a little more and I'm making this very light grey color. Okay, and with light grey color on my finger, and with light grey color, I'm going to show a small vase like this. So basically I'm going to draw 2 curves like this. Okay, one over here. So what we are going to do, we are placing the objects. With grey color, first thing I'm doing is I'm drawing the vase. Okay. And I'm just going to, apply it very lightly over here. Okay, you don't need to add any water in your paint. You don't need to add any water. If you are using fabric paint, so it already has enough water in it, so you don't need to add it separately. Okay, I'm going brush, and with grey color I'm going to make the edges of this vase little proper. Just take little grey color on the tip of your brush and just make the edges of the vase little proper, little sharp. Like this. Okay. Now after this is done, I will keep my brush aside. Okay, and with white color, I'm going to make some dots like this. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm just placing the flowers. So I want one flower over here, one over here, one over here, one over here, one over here, and one over here. Just small over here. Okay, so white color, I have placed the dot. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9. I'm making 9 flowers. Okay. So first, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with lightest color. Okay, that color is yellow. Okay, so make sure your finger should be clean when you're dipping it in yellow. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix my yellow and white like this. Okay, so I'm taking yellow color on the tip of my finger like this, and I'm going to make small flowers like this. Okay, so the flower will start from outside and it will meet at the center. Okay, so I made my one flower over here. I'm going to make another flower over here. Draw one more flower over here, a tiny flower. The stroke of the flower will start from outside and it will meet at the center. Okay, like this. After this flower is done, I'm going to take pink color, and that I'm going to mix with my white like this. So I have this nice pink color, and with this pink color I will draw 3 more flowers like this. You can overlap some part of your pot with your flowers. I'm going to mix red color with my white. It's a dark pink also. Okay, and with this dark red / dark pink, okay, I'm going to make this pink color. Okay, and with that color I will draw flowers over here. This way I've added 9 flowers, and I'm also going to add small buds over here. Okay, so I'm just taking the paint and I'm adding few dots like this. Okay, a little bit of pink this. Okay, and after this is done, what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix light and dark green color. Okay, so first I'm just going to mix light green with white. Okay, and with this color I'm going to show some leaves. Okay, so I'm going to add some leaves in between. First I'll just add light green leaves, small strokes for the leaves. Mix dark green also with my white, and I'll make some dark green leaves. Just have to combine. You just have to combine two colors and make the leaves. Also going to show some leaves fallen on the ground like this. You can show some petals also, red color petals or yellow color petals fallen on the ground. Okay, and after this is done, I'm going to take green color. Okay, and with green color I'm going to make some vertical lines inside the pot like this. Those are the stems. You can use light green or dark green, whichever color you like. And then with white color, I'm going to color my pot like this. I'm going to add white color on the pot with my fingers. Like this. Okay. Blend your green color with your white, and yes, and then if you want you can add more flowers. Maybe if you want to add, if you have color left, you can just simply use and make more flowers in your vase so that your color will not go waste. And then I'm going to take some white paint and I'm going to make the center of the flower like this. Okay, with white color paint. I'm done with the painting, and this is how my painting looks. I totally enjoyed it while painting this, and this is a very simple painting and very easy painting. You will be able to do it and you will definitely enjoy. So give it a try, and I would love to see your artwork. If you have any questions, put it in the comment box. If you like this video, do like the video, share and subscribe to my channel, and you can click on the bell icon also so that whenever I'll upload my video next, you will get a notification. Have a nice day and stay safe, take care, and